Everything around me, everything will I should have known these walls would cave in. Should have never left my heart there on the line. Cause when the shit hit the fan, all we ever had ended up lost in the fire. And now nothing's saved, nothing's gained. Was it all in vain? Cause I'm standing in the eye of the storm, and everything I've known is blowing away. I'm caught in a hurricane. I'm leaving here dead or alive. And I know that I'd be willing to feel the pain if it got me to the other side. Cause they only hurt, hurricane. Yeah, I can feel it. Hurt, hurricane. Remember how we really were before this disaster came and tore us apart. It was the two of us that was enough. The two of us, so in love. Till the wind of light, the rain of cries, and lightning strikes. And now we're standing in the eye of the storm, and everything is gone, nothing remains. I'm caught in a hurricane. I'm leaving here dead or alive. And I know that I'd be willing to feel the pain if it got me to the other side. Cause they only hurt, hurricane. Yeah, I can feel it. Hurt, hurricane. I never thought it would end. I'll never understand. How we let it end like this. I'm caught in a hurricane. I'm leaving here dead or alive. And I know that I'd be willing to feel the pain if it got me to the other side. Cause I only hurt, hurricane. Yeah, I can feel it. Hurt, hurricane. Hurt, hurricane. Hurt, hurricane. Hadn't had a good time since you know when. Got talked into going out with hopes you were staying in. I was feeling like myself for the first time in a long time, till I bumped into some of your friends over there talking to mine. Then you rolled in with your hair in the wind, baby, without warning. I was doing alright, but just your side had my heart storming. The moon went high and stars quit shining. Rain was dropping, thunder, lightning. You wrecked my whole world when you came and hit me like a hurricane. You hit me like a hurricane. Knew it was gonna be a long night from the moment when we locked eyes over whiskey on ice, started talking about us again. And if I would've just laid my drink down and walked out, truck.